Here's how to see app data usage on the iPhone. So if you're concerned about using your cell data from different apps, you can actually turn off apps from using cell data and also see which ones use the most. We'll go into settings, and then inside of here we'll go into cellular. All you have to do on this page is actually scroll down, and you're going to find this little, whoa, if we don't scroll too far. You're going to find this little cellular data area. And we're going to see a few apps, but we can click show all, and we're going to see cell data usage by app. You can sort by name or sort by usage, and that will put the biggest users of cell data at the top versus just alphabetical order. You can turn on or off cell data by app here, and it will tell you right here next to the app how much data that app has used for the current period, which you can reset. This isn't really linked with your data plan, but it will show you your biggest users of data. So you can get an idea of like, okay, how did I hit my data usage? Oh, it was definitely Netflix. I accidentally watched videos while I was out of the house or something like that, right? So that's how you can figure out your app data usage on the iPhone.